That's a good spot as well. You can see this area is fleshed really nice. So I hope that gives you an idea of what you're looking for in the fleshing process and how much to flesh or how little to flesh, because going too much either direction can really mess you up. When we went down the breast of the bird, we talked about that separation line in the feathers. Well, this is what it looks like if you miss that line. There's the separation line where there are no feather tracks, and then whoever skinned this bird started skinning down the other side. And now we have this random patch of feathers that should be over here on this side. Is it a big deal? It can be fixed. When we sew this bird up, it is a lot harder to sew because we're sewing right into feather tracks that otherwise would have already been lined up. So why do we avoid that? It just helps with the sewing process later on, just to give us a nice, clean looking incision after the bird's put together.